Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Perkenalkan, nama saya Kristianus Putra, NIM 64250086, kelas 641A25, Prodi Manajemen. Here I will explain about the question word, my opinion about smoking in campus area. Before I give my opinion about this topic, I just want to tell you guys that I am from Bina Sarana Informatika University. And you guys might know that in my university, there is a written rule that smoking in the campus area is prohibited. But I can know that we respect the law and break the rules, and we right of course am so against. Where there is a rule, we must obey it and give income respect, because smoking is bad for health and it's affect the air that we inhale anyway. What if there is someone who can inhale smoke from a cigarette, or they don't like to be exposed to toxic chemical in the smoke? It's so disrespectful to smoke in a place to gain knowledge when we consider is a rule that prohibits it. I believe that this rules is right, and it's our right as student to live or lean in a healthy environment. Let alone it is era of global warming where our pollution is already bad enough for humans. There are also some side effects that can affect even two people near cigarette smoke and inhale it. So the prophet takes smoking in bed even for the people near its environment to inhale the smoke. It is crazy. I hope going forward everyone is going to realize that there is a rule for aeration, and the main purpose is to keep the environment as healthy as possible for students so that they can learn peacefully and not be bothered by people who don't respect the rule. Let's keep ourselves healthy and keep our environment healthy for one another too. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Perkenalkan, nama saya Kristianus Putra dengan NIM 64250086 dengan kelas 641A25, Prodi Manajemen. Here I will explain about the question word. What do we mean by the question word? What is the function of why question? Why question are used to ask for information regarding the other person to provide a clear answer. In English, the also known as open question. Example WH question: A. Where is the bag? Di mana tasnya? B. It is the room next to the reception. Ada di kamar sebelah resepsionis. What include WH question? In Indonesia, you might only know the 5 WS plus 1H. In English, I need to learn the 8 WS plus 1H. What are the 8 W 1H? The answer is what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. Question word. What? Function: to ask for information about something or something related to someone. Example of sentence: what is your name? Where? To ask for a place or location. Where are you from? Why? Who's when asking for reason. Why did you leave your girlfriend? When? To ask for the time. When will we go to the cinema? Which? Function when you went to ask for option. Which do you prefer? Tea or cafe? Who, to ask people, who is your boyfriend? Whom, asking someone as an object. Whom did you hit last night? Whose, to ask about ownership of good object. Whose lipstick is this? How, whose, when you went to ask for price, duration, frequency, egg, method, discount, or quantity. How long will you stay in Malang? What? Apa? What is us the ask about thing? What is a question word? The function to ask about something or something related to someone. Example of it us in sentence. 1. What are you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? 2. What is your name? Siapa namamu? 3. What do you think about the movie? Apa pendapatmu tentang film itu? What asking for repetition or confirmation? Aka asking for repetition or confirmation of what someone else said. For example like this. 1. What? I can hear you. Apa? Aku tidak bisa mendengarmu. 2. You did what? Kamu sedang melakukan apa? Where? Di mana? If you want to find on information about the location or place, purpose and position of someone or something, of course, the correct question word to ask is where. Example of integrative sentence. 1. Where do they live? Di mana mereka tinggal? 2. Where is your mom? Di mana ibumu? 3. Where is my handphone? Di mana ponselku? Why? Mengapa dan kenapa? These question word function as a search for reason of cause that can be positive or negative to find out the background of something that happened. Example are as follows. 1. Why do you love me? Mengapa kau mencintaiku? 2. Why it did happen? Mengapa itu terjadi? 3. Why are you crying? Mengapa kamu menangis? When? Kapan? When used to ask when something happened, this question word is closely related to the aspect of time, which can be the answer to test type of question. Example of us with the question word are: 1. When do you finish college? Kapan kamu selesai kuliah? 2. When does the taxi arrive? Kapan taksi tiba? 3. When did she leave? Kapan dia pergi? Which yang mana? With to ask about opinions. Example sentence for asking. 1. Which color do you want? Warna apa yang kamu inginkan? 2. Which extracurricular do you join in? Ekstrakurikuler yang mana yang kamu ikuti? 3. Which one do you prefer, iOS or Android? Kamu prefer yang mana? iOS atau Android? Wow, siapa? Question word wow to ask about people or a person subject. Other example are: 1. Who opened the window? Siapa yang membuka jendela? 2. What are you? Kamu siapa? 3. What is your favorite Korean artist? Siapa artis Korean favorit kamu? Whom dengan siapa? Whom is a type of question word for someone who is in the position of object or recipient of the subject action. For example below. 1. Whom are you going to meet? Dengan siapa yang kamu akan bertemu? 2. What did you see in the morning? Siapa yang kamu lihat pada pagi hari ini? 3. What shall we send the invitation to? Pada siapa kita harus mengirimkan undangan? Was, milik siapa? What is a question word to ask about position? The following example. 1. Was are the novel? Milik siapa novel-novel ini? 2. Was car is that? Mobil siapa itu? 3. Was wallet it is your? Ini dompet siapa punyamu? How, bagaimana? How is for you to ask when you want to ask about manner of process, condition, and quality. This question word also applies to asking about pace, duration, frequency, egg, method, descent, or quantity, amount. Example sentence. 1. How was your exam? Bagaimana ujian kamu? 2. How far is Siem Reap from Phnom Penh? Seberapa jauh Siem Reap dan Phnom Penh? 3. How much money do you have? Seberapa banyak uang yang kamu punya? How to form formula where question. Following formula where question with auxiliary verb. WH min plus auxiliary verb to be, do, or have plus subject plus main verb sama dengan tanda tanya. Example, 1. When are you leaving? Kapan kamu berangkat? 2. Where do you live? Di mana mereka tinggal? 3. What if they decide? Apa yang sudah mereka putuskan? We have question with modal verb. What are included in modal verb? Include can, could, will, must, have, to, may, must. We have mean plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb plus tanda tanya. Example, 1. What will he stay with? Dengan siapa dia akan tinggal? 2. What shall I do? Apa yang harus saya lakukan? 3. Why shall we read book? Mengapa kita harus membaca buku? Interrogative sentence without auxiliary or modal verb. This formula show that way its has reflected the subject question. We have mean plus main verb plus tanda tanya. Example, 1. Who want to get the game? Siapa yang menang? 2. What's your phone number? Nomor telepon siapa? 3. What bought this? Siapa yang membeli ini? Negative question. We can use the auxiliary verb do is on a auxiliary verb or no probable. Positive interrogative sentence without auxiliary. Who want an ice cream? With door opened. Negative interrogative sentence with auxiliary verb do. Who does want ice cream with door open? 10 comprehension my present for today. Thank you. See you.